I'll be demoing A1Fed's implementation of a multimodal vision language model. This model is capable of natural language processing as well as encoding images to classify and reason over. Depending on the use case, we can create tools by fine-tuning this model and/or others, open source or otherwise, on data relevant to project needs. We have a couple scenarios here which are used to show the model's capabilities in image classification as well as using reasoning, to not only identify the image elements, but how they relate to the image as a whole. For this first scenario, concrete surface that is showing obvious signs of damage, and we need to estimate the cost to repair it. Early on, we can see that the model has used image classification to identify what it believes the building materials are. It's going to assume that it's a concrete or a plaster wall. It then uses reasoning, factoring in labor, materials, paint, tools, permits, and other potential costs to generate an estimated price range. Then moving on to our second scenario, we have what appears to be a water damaged ceiling. Let's see if the model can identify this. Here we see the model uses image classification again to identify that there is indeed water damage on the ceiling. It then uses reasoning to outline potential causes and future implications of this water damage. And that wraps up our vision language model demo.